Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on a MacBook. First, you'll need to use an Android emulator, which creates a virtual Android environment on your computer. This allows you to download and run mobile games like Clash Royale directly on your Mac OS device. We'll focus on a popular option, BlueStacks, known for its gaming performance. Make sure your MacBook has at least 4 GB of RAM and 5 GB of free disk space for optimal performance. To get started, navigate to the official BlueStacks website and download the Mac OS installer. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to begin the installation process. You'll be guided through a few steps, including granting system permissions. This is a standard procedure to ensure the emulator can properly integrate with your MacBook's operating system and provide a seamless gaming experience. After BlueStacks is successfully installed, launch the application. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account, which is essential for accessing the Google Play Store. Once logged in, use the search bar within BlueStacks to find Clash Royale in the Play Store. Install the game just as you would on an Android phone. Then, take a few minutes to customize the keyboard and mouse controls for a comfortable and competitive gaming experience. For the best Clash Royale experience, optimize your emulator settings. You can often adjust resolution, frame rate, and graphics quality within BlueStacks to match your MacBook's capabilities. Closing other applications running in the background will free up valuable system resources, leading to smoother gameplay. Additionally, using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi can significantly reduce latency and improve overall game stability, giving you a competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.